Pro Fund Accounting MyWork allows you to submit timecards simply and efficiently. It will operate on any device that has an internet connection, including mobile phones. If you are planning on using your mobile phone, in addition to this video, please watch the video about using Pro Fund Accounting MyWork on a mobile device.
To log in, enter your MyWork employee number and the PIN assigned to you. Your MyWork employee number is a combination of your location code and your Pro Fund Accounting employee number. The location code is a 2 to 3 character value that is assigned by your municipality. As an example, the location code for Cogitate Incorporated is COG, and the employee number for Henry is 1. Therefore, the MyWork employee number for Henry is COG, then a space, then 1. Once you enter your PIN and click Login, you will see your home page. At the top of your home page, you have Timecard and Employee menus. You can use the Timecard menu to go enter new Timecard entries or clock in and out. You can use the Employee menu to go see your Payroll Banks or sign out. The Pro Fund logo button will always return you to the home page. Your home page will display an overview of your submitted hours and the approval status of each day's entries. The color used to highlight a day indicates its status. Blue means one or more entries for the day are pending approval from your supervisor. Green means all entries for the day are fully approved. Red means that one or more entries for the day have been rejected. Days with rejected entries will be at the top of the list. You can see a breakdown of how many hours have been approved, have been rejected, or are still pending for each day. Click on any date to view or modify your timecard for the day. When you select a date to enter a timecard, or a date from the home page, the entries for that date will show. The top of each entry will have a color, indicating its status. Each entry will have buttons at the bottom that allow you to edit, delete, or copy the entry. To submit a new timecard entry, select the Timecard menu and click Enter Timecard. Enter the date for your timecard entry, or select the Calendar button. Once you have a date, click the plus button. The first thing you need to enter is the type of timecard. The following types may be available depending on your permissions: Account, Work Order, Direct Equipment, Personal, Direct Inventory, and Equipment Capital Outlay. Once you have the type of timecard entered, you need to enter the pay type. If your municipality has specified a default pay type, that will show. The pay type will determine if you enter hours or a dollar amount. There may be checkboxes available for you to indicate special processing. The extra rate checkbox will indicate to the payroll processor that a rate adjustment needs to be applied to your timecard entry. The comp time checkbox will indicate that you want the hours posted to be added to your comp time. Each entry type requires some different information. For account entries, specify the templates indicating the work you did. When specifying templates, select an option for each template box that appears. For work order entries, specify the work order number and the work order line number. For direct equipment entries and equipment capital outlay entries, specify the piece of equipment that you worked on. For direct inventory entries, specify the inventory code. For personal entries, specify the personal code for the time you are entering. Personal entries are the only timecard type that allow you to post up to 30 days into the future. Attachments are where you specify the equipment and inventory that you used for the entry. For equipment, you can specify either a group or single piece of equipment. After you select the equipment or group, enter the number of equipment hours. Then, click the Apply button. If you are attaching an inventory item, enter the inventory code and the amount. When you click Apply, the attachment will show in a list. To make an adjustment to an attachment in the list, click on the attachment, make your adjustment, and click Apply. If you need to delete an attachment, click on it and click the red trash can. When you are satisfied with your entry, click the green Save button. A confirmation message will appear. If you have forgotten or miskeyed any values, a message will appear indicating what you missed. My Work provides shortcuts to make some repetitive tasks easier. The Equipment Update button will update all the hours of your attached equipment items to the same value in your hours field. When entering inventory, there is a Finder button that will help you locate the inventory code in the Inventory Finder data from your system. The Finder screen will show the starting level of each category for your inventory. You can specify a filter at the top to help limit the inventory to select from. Once you have selected the inventory code, click the green arrow to fill the code on your timecard entry. The Finder will keep the last applied filter. You can reset the filter by clearing the filter box and clicking the search button. The Clock In or Out page allows you to indicate the time you started and ended work. When you select Punch In to start your work, the clock border will turn green, indicating you are working. You will also see an entry with the date and time in the activity list below. To punch out at the end of the day, select the Punch Out button. The clock border will turn black, indicating you are done, and your punch-out activity will be recorded below. All the times are shown in military format. To view the current balances of your Payroll Banks, select Employee and view Payroll Banks. You will see a list of the current Payroll Banks assigned to you. The current column shows the total of all bank activity that has been processed by ProFund Accounting. The pending column shows the total hours from your unprocessed timecard entries. The total column shows the number of hours you have available to use. If you have entries with the comp time box checked, the pending hours will show as a negative amount.
To learn more about using MyWork, please watch these other helpful videos. If you are a supervisor, be sure to watch the MyWork Supervisor video. If you plan to use MyWork on your phone, please watch the Using MyWork on a Mobile Device video. You are now working smarter with ProFund Accounting. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.